Wonderful month has come to an end for natural gas. It has almost reached at 35% of rise from 2.16 levels till 2.93 levels. Remember, we have been recommending a buy on net gas since 2.06 levels. I hope you all profited. Now, what to expect next week and also next month for natural gas? We will see with the help of first charts followed with indicators. Towards the end, I will summarize and conclude the observations and give you the trading levels for next week, and also we will see the trend for the next month. Do watch till the end, and before leaving the video, do press the like button and do not forget to share, subscribe and comment also. Yes, we share twice a day analysis and targets for natural gas, so do press the bell icon. Also, you can get the live updates by joining our free Telegram channel. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start. Let's begin with the weekly charts first. And if you observe, see the bottom here, double bottom, triple bottom levels. And since the natural gas has been trading in this expanding triangle, this is an extremely bullish triangle. Now, if you look at the formation here, the bottom of this channel now lying at around 2.2 levels. And I have been mentioning that this again and again till 2.2. Now you should not remain bearish. Every drop is an opportunity to buy. Now, what has happened next last week, you can see. First of all, as we discussed, see the bullishness got diminished here. We can see one bullish candle, then a candle with a diminished bullishness, and then we have seen highs and lows here in the previous candle. Now, also, if you look at it, is yielded higher lows and higher highs. So it is trading in this bullish channel, and specifically as we have discussed last week also in our daily analysis multiple times, now till 2.6 at least for next week we are not going to remain bearish. Till 2.6 potentially a bounce back can be expected. At the same time, now the high is at around $3 levels. Beyond 3, certainly there is further potential for it to go past by 3.5 levels. So after the big bullish rise here, it is just trying to trade in this sideways bullish channel. So what to expect now? See, next week if it opens below this zone at 2.75, you can again expect 2.7, then 2.65. And if you see it trading below 2.6, you can say that it might try to achieve the bottom of this candle, that is at around close to 2.55 and 2.5 levels. Still, it is just a retracement, not a reversal, and it is still trading in this bullish channel, and hence one has to be watchful. Every drop still is an opportunity to buy. Once again, I am stating that fact. Now coming to the daily, on the daily charts, very clear, the rise here, consolidation, retracement, the rise here and reversal, and then this retracement. Now, despite the retracement, you can see the bottom of this channel is beautifully respected. We have seen a reversal sign here and then this rise. Now, next opportunity you can see here is, see lower highs, lower lows here. And hence, once it stays about 2.85, that is the point beyond which you must or one must stay long. We can expect this time it breaking past by $3 levels, which is the next highs here. So staying about 2.85, one should stay long in net gas, and definitely we are going to look at first the previous highs at 2.93 levels, and then we may see it hitting $3 levels also. Yes, this could be potentially treated as a reversal sign, first bullish candle after the reversal sign. Also, see increasing body size can be expected here if the next bullish candle alive. It has left a good wick on the upside. Hence, potentially once it stays about 2.85 levels, we can see it hitting 2.93 or in fact $3 level. Now this is on the daily charts. Also, you must observe on the daily charts is that increasing bullish channel, rise retracement, rise retracement, rise, and now it is reversed from the median of this channel. The bottom of this channel is now on the daily charts is at 2.5. Now coming to the monthly candle. On the monthly charts also, after forming the bottom here, you can see higher lows, higher highs. Beautifully, you can see it is based in this complete channel. It has completely covered the lows and the highs in the single month. Now I will wait for it to break past by $3 levels in the next month, and then specifically the highs of this channel. So beyond this, certainly this time it can potentially give you equal size of candle here. It can potentially cover up the complete move in a single candle, which means that staying above 3.1 levels, you can expect at least 3.5 or $4 levels in the month of July. But for this, one has to wait for it to break past by this zone here at and the highs of this channel or this candle, and certainly beyond which more bullishness is going to prevail. First target should be at around 3.5, very good resistance, and then to it might achieve beyond $4 levels. Remember, there is a gap left there on the monthly charts which needs to be filled, and potentially it is going to fill it sooner than this. Also on the monthly charts, if you look at, see the previous bottom here at 1.8, and since then it has seen a very good rally, and now it is given higher lows, and now potentially looking forward to another round of rise from here. So this is on the monthly chart, but let's have a look with the help of indicators if the indicators are also of the same opinion here. Now if you look at the indicators, you will find the moving averages which are trading with divergence, and the prices were divergent. It has converged here. The moving averages is also converged on the monthly charts, but these have not yet crossed over. These are still layered one above other, which is a bullish sign. 20, 50 and 100 months average, this is still bullish here. And this also makes this zone here at 3.8 to 4.2 a very good resistance zone, including the gap here. Hence at these levels we will see how net gas behaves. Probably beyond that only, certainly more bullish momentum to continue. If you look at the monthly stochastic, this was oversold and now it is trying to recover, and this is happening after, you can see the pre-COVID or COVID times when it has seen the bottom there, then this rise, then towards the oversold zone, then this rise. So right now also it is building the momentum for it to come out of the oversold zone and stay bullish for a while. Also look at MACD. Now see, the MACD was trading with extreme divergence and a fat belly here. Now it is willing to converge. At least if it is not willing to cross over, it must converge. The candle size must diminish, and hence we can still expect bullishness in natural gas in the coming few weeks. So every drop is an opportunity for you to buy and accumulate, those who want to take a long-term hold on natural gas. I am still of the opinion here. Remember, see, this was the crossover here. It has seen this rise, then this vertical drop. Now it is willing to give another round of crossover and continue with the upward move. RSI is also recovering here from the median or middle of the bands here. Coming to the weekly, on the weekly chart, see, first of all, the moving averages are trading with divergence still on the bearish side. Also the divergence is at extreme, and now it is trading above the 20 weeks average, potentially beyond. Also look at the squeeze on the Bollinger Bands on the weekly charts, which means potentially it can continue gradually on the upside from here, expanding the Bollinger Bands. It is putting some pressure on the Bollinger Bands. It has to trade outside Bollinger Bands in order to reverse completely. Right now if you look at, see, the 20 and 50 and 100 period moving average situated at around 4 to 4.4 levels, which is again on the monthly charts also we have seen this is going to remain a very good resistance zone, and a potential rise till these levels is can be expected. In fact, we can potentially see it hitting this zone very soon, maybe in the month of July itself. Look at the stochastic, this is risen and this has come back till towards overbought levels. It can continue here for a while before it looks over to reversal. Look at the divergence, this is still oversold, and hence it can try to come back till the time this line stays above the overbought zone. If you look at the MACD, see, this has crossed over, trading with divergence and bullish. And also this crossover has happened after a long time, and hence it can continue with the upward move till towards this zone for a complete recovery, and in fact it can bounce back. But right now, since it is trading with divergence, it is looking upwards. It can continue here for a while. First wave, it can give a second wave here, somewhere here, and then continue with the upward move. So a potential rise still is there. As we discussed, 2.4 2.44 zone is where it is going to get maximum resistance. Potentially it can achieve the levels, those levels, retrace a little from there, and then continue with the upward move. RSI has also come back till towards the comfortable zone. Coming to the daily charts, on the daily chart, the 20 and 50 period moving averages have crossed over here, trading with divergence. The 100 period is still not yet crossed over. I will wait for this to cross over, this to cross over, these three layer below one over other, and then this will be a bullish sign. Right now, if you look at the 20 period exponential moving average, the prices were divergent here. Now it has converged here, and since then again started to look upwards. I will wait for this to steeply rise from here so that we can continue with the bullish momentum. Now 2.6 is a major support here, you can find out, and then 2.5 level. These two are extremely important support zone for natural gas. In fact, on the weekly chart, see the breakout started from 2.4, and hence in fact even if it achieves 2.4, one should not be surprised, and a bounce back from 2.4 also one can expect, and this bounce back is going to be even stronger than ever. See the stochastic on the weekly charts have dropped, and now potentially waiting for this to converge crossover. Now see, most importantly, the MACD has come to little higher levels and now willing to converge crossover. Now, but if you look at the complete waves here on MACD, you will find net gas has still lot much left for it to continue with the upward. Now, if you just observe, see one wave, second wave, third wave, and it is still trading in this narrow zone. So I'll wait for the breakout on the upside, a potential recovery till towards 0, which means 2.4, 2.22 levels cannot be denied. RSI is also again starting to look upwards here. Good sign for net gas. And now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to define the trading levels and strategy for you for next week and for the next month of July. These levels will be applicable for the month of July. Do watch till the end. And yes, before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading, you should join my mentorship batch. The 23rd batch starts on 3rd of July. Now it is shifted to 10th of July. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals channel where trading as per the signals. Definitely you can benefit. Now let's start here. First, where to buy. Now you can buy here at 2.79 levels. Expect 2.8 to 2.85, very nearby. And once it stays above this zone at 2.85, one can expect that the next destination it will look forward to is 2.93, or and beyond that we may see it hitting, see $3 levels it has to hit for once. Even if it has to retrace, it must hit those levels at least for once. So $3 levels is what I will look forward to, and beyond that is 3.16. Now remember, once it breaks out beyond 3.16, just stay long here. We are going to look at 3.5 levels in the month of July. If not next week, yes, very soon this is going to hit those levels. And remember, achieving those levels, there could be a further retracement before it looks forward to an upward move. Remember, this is a long-term horizon for the month and the week we are talking about, and hence there could be swings, and you should not be deterred with the swings it shows here. Beyond 3.45, the target is towards 4 and 4.2, 4.4 zone. This is going to be the next stronger resistance zone. You should be careful of this here, and potential rise till towards these levels can be expected, and hence take your positions accordingly. Now where to sell? Now here a potential sell entry at 2.69 can be taken, but then 2.65 and 2.6. Two major support here for net gas. Till 2.6, very good support. In fact, I will say 2.55 and 2.5 are the next major support levels, almost equally spaced till towards 2.5 is what we can see. There are resistance level. It can bounce back any point of time. Below 2.4, I will look forward to 2.41 levels, and this is very strong. But even if it fails, because these are markets, we have to strictly trade with a stop loss and trailing stop loss. Keep shifting your, if you see a downward move, keep shifting your stop losses to these levels. Keep booking profits, and when you know that it is potentially going to hit the bottom here somewhere around 2.2, 2.4, you can keep buying at those levels and potentially expect a rise from there. I don't expect that it is going to hit till towards 2.2, but this is my expectation, and markets do not work as per my expectation but as per the rules of the market, and hence you have to respect the rules. You have to ensure that you keep booking profits, and once we know that it is still the bottom is nearby and it can potentially rise from here, keep buying from those levels. Trade accordingly, trade profitably, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Before leaving the video, just press the like button and also share, subscribe and comment, and also press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the twice a day targets for natural gas. Also, you can reach out to me by joining, for if you have any queries on my mentorship batch or signals channel. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.